Hello everyone, welcome to the Zendesk Pending Ticket Follow-Up System, an automated workflow designed to streamline support ticket management. Schedule trigger. The workflow begins with a cron node that runs at exactly 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. This ensures your support follow-up routine happens automatically every evening without manual intervention. Get pending tickets, Zendesk. Next, we fetch all open tickets from Zendesk using their API. The workflow pulls every ticket that matches the status filter, in this case, open. This becomes our raw dataset for processing. Filter pending tickets. Here, we perform a logical filter to ensure only the tickets with status open move forward. This helps reduce noise, so we're only working with truly pending items needing follow-up. Format ticket data. This code node is the heart of the automation. It takes each Zendesk ticket and transforms it into a clean, structured JSON format. The formatter calculates and enriches each ticket with ticket ID, ticket URL, subject, priority, and status. Clean description preview, requester and assignee info, tags ticket, age in hours, priority level, needs attention flag based on age and priority, request channel, full clean description. This turns Zendesk's messy API response into something analytics ready. Log to Google Sheets. Next, we log every formatted ticket into a Google Sheets document. We use append or update mode so the system updates existing rows or adds new ones automatically. The sheet becomes a full nightly report showing all pending tickets, aging analysis, priority distribution, attention flags, full descriptions, perfect for managers and support QA. Create ClickUp task. For each ticket, we also create a ClickUp task. The task includes ticket subject priority level mapped from Zendesk tags due date status set to do. This makes sure your internal team gets an action item for every customer ticket left unresolved. Generate follow-up emails. This part is super powerful. The workflow groups pending tickets by requester and then generates a personalized HTML follow-up email for each customer. The email contains greeting with extracted customer name, a list of all pending ticket IDs, subject plus preview of each ticket, ticket age in hours, a support portal, CTA contact options, rendered HTML design. This turns a boring follow-up into a professional personalized message, like "I'm expect out." Send follow-up email. Finally, the Gmail node sends out the HTML email to each customer. A plain text fallback message is included for email clients that don't support HTML. By the time this email goes out, the customer gets a clean summary of their pending requests, prompting them to respond or add more clarification. This system automates 100% of follow-ups, flags high-risk tickets, and seamlessly integrates Zendesk, Gmail, Google Sheets, and ClickUp, saving valuable time and improving response rates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.